Proven protection for up to 10,000 miles. Engineered for use with conventional or synthetic motor oil. A special blend of fibers and resin creates a proprietary filter media that captures 95% of dirt particles that can cause harmful engine wear. Designed for everyday drivers who perform frequent maintenance on their vehicles. Fit type. Vehicle specific. FRAM Extra Guard oil filters feature proven protection for up to 5,000 miles and are engineered for use with conventional oil. With an ideal balance of dirt trapping efficiency and dirt holding capacity, FRAM Extra Guard oil filters use a special blend of fibers and resin to create a proprietary filter media that delivers excellent engine protection. Extra Guard is the perfect filter for everyday drivers who perform frequent maintenance on their vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Fits a 2016 GMC Canyon with V6 gas motor. Although Amazon said it doesn't fit my 2016 GMC Canyon, this is the right product for my V6 gas motor. Same price as Walmart, but sure beats having to go to the store.